Over last few decades, it became a Ganga Nala going to the middle of the city. So something had to be done about this. Okay? And that's what the riverfront project is about. It's about bringing the river back to the city and bringing city back to the river. This is what the project is about. Now the opportunities started emerging for doing such a project started emerging even earlier before the project. It was not done specially for the project. What happened was that this river used to get a lot of floods. Okay.
Oh.
73, it is not like a Ganga perennial river where the snow melts and water keeps coming through the year. It is a river in which monsoon में बहुत पानी आता है, then in summer it becomes completely dry and a trickle of water comes. But when the monsoon flood comes, it could be very devastating, it could be destructive. And so during the 73 there was a big flood in Ahmedabad. It destroyed a lot of low-lying areas and societies. So the city and state government built a dam, Tharoi Dam, 200 kilometers on top. After that there is nothing like a natural flood. Okay, so first the destructive aspect of the river was brought under control. Then at that same time in 76 a dam was built called Vasna Barrage. This barrage, low, shallow dam. This was for irrigation purpose, not for the city. So water could be stored in the river during the monsoon and then used up for irrigation, and again the river became dry. And the third regional development that happened, which Ahmedabad had nothing to do with, was the Narmada Dam. When it was built, its canal happened to pass by just on upstream of Ahmedabad. Now when such canals are built, sometimes when you have a panic and you need to release the water into so every waterway is connected, every natural waterway is connected to the canal. So the canals can be emptied out very fast and therefore the dam reservoir can be emptied out very fast. So once again, not for Ahmedabad, it happened that Narmada canal was connected to the river. So now it became possible that this barrage, Vasna barrage, was holding water, used up for irrigation. You could replenish it using the Narmada. So this is all the opportunities. Ahmedabad is great at using opportunities. At one stage, even 11 Bhatt of Seva was asked to be on the board. Can you imagine? I mean, NGO ko bhi andar le do, so everybody is working together for the good of the city. So it was a comprehensive, good proposal. The technical proposal, so this was the implementing mechanism was good. The technical proposal that I was working on also was comprehensive. We studied everything. From first you have to study the geography. And that is the first function of a river bed. It has to pass the flood. And nothing you do here to reduce the flood carrying capacity of the river. This was the principle. So this was studied, hydraulics was studied. After that we studied the land uses on both sides. Then the study of land ownership on both sides. Then engineering aspects of the project. We decided that this river edge, the real problem in Ahmedabad was that the edge had become privatized. Everybody's bungalows were coming right up to the edge. They say, you think of a area in which everybody's property goes up to the waves, then nobody can walk along the beach. As simple as that. In this case, same thing had happened. You have seen our office. It's sitting right on the river. Mallika's house right on the river. Kama's house right on the river. All these people, everybody enjoying their place on the river, but city people not getting there. If city people want to enjoy the river, they have to walk on the bridge, which they used to in summer. Scooter Sampo Rakke, you take a breeze, stroll along there. And it used to be, bridge was crowded at night because there was no way of. In any case, the river had become a Gandhanam, so not very enjoyable. But so the first thing that had to be done was the socialization of the river. Now, you needed to create a land there. One way to do it would have been to acquire the land from everybody, but this would have been meaningless. So what was done was two embankments were built and land was reclaimed from the riverbed. This is a simple idea, there is nothing complicated about it.